Joshua?
Absolutely do. And it's because
everybody who knows Josh probably said,
yeah.
He considers other people better than himself.
He's a friend. He's my best friend. He's a good friend. Those kind of things come across.
You know, he's one of the most considerate people I know.
If he says something, he means it. A lot of people talk about somebody giving you the shirt off their back. That guy would really do it.
To know Josh is to have a friend.
You know what stands out to me artistically about him is that he's very diverse. He sings, he raps, he dances, he acts.
His creativity is trustworthy.
If you've never seen him before, once the lights come on, once the music starts, he hits the stage and it's an explosion.
And he brings his emotion.
And you'll be captivated.
His lyrical expression and his facial expression, all of that goes into what really sets him apart as a performer.
You really feel what he's trying to communicate.